Start trading with Bold Prime by following global experts. First, search social.myboldprime.com in your browser. Then, click the Register as Follower button below. Fill in all the details using your MT4 Prime Copytrade account. For MT4 Prime Copytrade account registration, you can watch another guide. Select the provider you want to follow. Check the provider's offer details. After successful registration, go to the Subscription Strategy section and click the Edit button to set up your own strategy. Inside, choose your preferred volume scaling method. For Multiply, the copy must be larger or smaller than the provider's original trade. This is recommended for followers who want to directly increase or lower their risks compared to the provider. For Autoscale, the copy's volume must be calculated according to the ratio of the follower's funds to the provider's funds available at the time of copying. This is recommended for followers who know how many funds their provider has. For Fixed, the copy's volume must be exactly the specified amount, disregarding the provider's volume. This is recommended for followers who want to know exactly how much will be opened as a copy. Lastly, for Lots Proportion, the copy's volume must depend on the follower's current funds. This is recommended for followers who want to take risks in relation to their current financial situation. After choosing your volume scaling method, select the comparison value you want to use between the provider and follower accounts. Enter your preferred number for the ratio multiplier. This value represents the ratio between the source deal's volume and the copied deal's volume. Next, choose your preferred volume handling options. For Skip Low Volume, when your balance is close to the minimum, the system will choose not to engage in trading activities. Risk by rounding min-lot is about keeping your trade size small and manageable. Then, scroll down to the correction section and click Edit to set up your copy's parameters. Inside, enter your preferred maximum volume to be copied. Choose your preferred action between Skip and Scale Down. This decides the action if the copy's volume is higher than the max open volume. Then, click Save Changes. Go to the Risk Management section and click the Create button to set up your acceptable risk. Inside, choose your preferred parameter between total loss, total profit, and floating loss. Total loss triggers if the realized P&L of all copies from the start of the subscription reaches the specified loss level. Total profit triggers if the realized P&L of all copies from the start of the subscription reaches the specified profit level. Floating loss triggers if the floating P&L of all open copies reaches the specified loss level. Then, after choosing the parameters, set your preferred threshold number to trigger automatic actions. After that, select your desired subscription action when the threshold is met, choosing between Suspend and Unsubscribe. Lastly, select your desired trading action between Keep All, Close All, or Close All Unprofitable, which will take action when the threshold is met. Then click Save Changes. Scroll up, find the Activate button, and click it to activate your copy position. Congratulations! Your copy subscription has been activated. Start your journey today with Bold Prime.